Hello witches, wizards, and those who are yet to receive their Hogwarts or Christmas letters. Welcome to my Harry Potter kitchen. This is the YouTube series where I've just finished baking my way through the Philosopher's Stone. We hit an incredible 64 episodes. That's 64 recipes for food and drink from the Wizarding world, and it was so much fun coming up with them all along the way. I have to say a massive thank you to all of you who, whether you started at episode 1 or just joined today, for your continued support, both here on YouTube and on Instagram. It means so much. It keeps me going, and I cannot wait to carry on baking my way through the series. But we couldn't leave things here without one final recap, all the way from episode 1 up to 64. If you missed any along the way, the playlist will be down below, so make sure you catch up so you're ready for year 2. In episode 1, we made Dudley's edible cereal bowl. Episode 2 was Uncle Vernon's Chelsea buns. In episode 3, we made a giant Krispy Kreme donut. Episode 4 was a cup of tea for Aunt Petunia. Episode 5 was Dumbledore's favourite sherbet lemons. Episode 6 was Harry Potter's fry-up. In episode 7, we made a giant chalk ice. Episode 8 were lemon ice lollies. In episode 9, we made a Knickerbocker Glory. In episode 10, we made Uncle Vernon's brandy cocktail. Episode 11 was for Mrs. Fig's chocolate fig cake. In episode 12, we made Aunt Petunia's fruit cake. And in episode 13, we made homemade marmalade. Episode 14 was for homemade cornflakes, lightning bolt of course. And in episode 15, we made homemade crisps inspired by our Hogwarts houses. Episode 16 was Harry's famous birthday cake. Happy birthday. In episode 17, we made homemade sausages. Episode 18 was mint humbugs. Episode 19 was a sherry spritz cocktail. In episode 20, we made some human-friendly edible dog biscuits. Episode 21 was for 2 large ice creams. In episode 22, we made some Sorting Hat hamburgers. Episode 23 was for Ron's sandwiches. In episode 24, we made our own homemade Mars bars. 25 was for the world famous Bertie Bott's Every Flavour beans. Episode 26 was for Drewball's best blowing gum. In episode 27, we made the incredible chocolate frogs. Episode 28 were for these iconic pumpkin pasties. Episode 29 was for cauldron cakes. In episode 30, we made our own licorice ones. In episode 31, we made roast beef for the Great Hall Feast. In episode 32, it was roast chicken. Episode 33 was for pork chops. Episode 34, lamb chops. And in episode 35, we made sous vide steak. In episode 36, we finished the feast with the trimmings. Episode 37 was for ketchup. And in episode 38, we moved on to desserts with ice cream. Episode 39 was for deep fried lightning bolt apple pies. Episode 40 was for treacle tart. In episode 41, we made lightning bolt chocolate eclairs. Episode 42 was for lightning bolt jam donuts. In episode 43, we made butter beer trifle. In episode 44, we made strawberry jelly panna cottas. In episode 45, we made the best rice pudding. In episode 46, we made Hogwarts house meringue kisses. In episode 47, we made overnight oats inspired by our Hogwarts houses. In episode 48, we made the perfect ham. In episode 49, we made Hagrid's rock cakes. Episode 50 was for the traditional steak and kidney pie. In episode 51, we made baked pumpkin served inside a baked pumpkin. In episode 52, we made jacket potatoes with fillings from our Hogwarts houses. In episode 53, we made lightning bolt crumpets. Episode 54 was for lightning bolt marshmallows. In episode 55, we whipped up our Hogwarts house fudge. In episode 56, it was time for Christmas dinner at Hogwarts. In episode 57, we made flaming Christmas puddings. In episode 58, we made traditional mulled wine from scratch. In episode 59, we used our leftovers to make turkey sandwiches. In episode 60, we made a Caribbean Christmas cake with a Hogwarts silhouette. In episode 61, we made a Hogwarts house crest cake. In episode 62, we made stoat or corned beef sandwiches. In episode 63, we made our own edible unicorn blood. And in episode 64, we finished things off with our Hogwarts house inspired potion cocktails. It was quite a mouthful to get those all out, and it has been an incredible journey. So I cannot wait to get back into book 2. But if you've missed any of the Philosopher's Stones recipes, then make sure you check out the full playlist down below and catch up. You've got a little bit of time left, and we've got a few Christmas specials coming up for you to celebrate the end of the first book. Again, thank you so much for your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, then do hit that big red button and click on the notification bell so you get an alert every Magic Monday when we start the Chamber of Secrets. I'll see you there.